How to earn in crores by investing in the stock market. Do you know, in 2017, one boy made a profit of rupees 190 crores from India's most expensive share, MRF, whose value at present is between 82,000 and 90,000. Yes, but can we earn in crores from the share market? So let's talk about this today. In India, the craze about share market is increasing slowly. Teenagers are also interested in the share market for a secure future. The biggest myth in people's minds is we can become a crorepati in one night. But that is half the truth. So today I'll share some tips with you that will help you invest in the right stock with good returns. First, always invest on a long-term basis. If you dream of becoming a crorepati in one night, then the tip is especially for you. To become a crorepati in the stock market, you need to have patience and consistency. Here, the more patience you have, the more money you make. For example, in 1993, the price of MRF share was Rs 11, and the people who have invested in the stock for the long term would have gained a higher return. The most successful investor, Mr. Warren Buffett, says, share market is good for the long-term investment. So if you dream of doubling your money in 21 days, this hera-fairy will cost you a lot. Second, invest in good companies. You need to do good research on the company you want to invest in. You can check the recent activities of the company. Along with this, gain knowledge of how the company's product is performing in the market. For example, if you plan to invest in the Britannia company, you must know how its products are performing in the market. You should also know whether the company is involved in recent scams or frauds, and also about its future products. For investing in the share market, along with the Demat account, you must have a good investment platform so that your investment will be easy. The best investment platform in the share market is Motilal Oswal, one of India's biggest investment companies. You can open a free Demat account here. Motilal Oswal is providing high quality service to more than 16 lakh customers. It has 30 years of experience. It does not have any maintenance charge as well. You just need an Aadhaar card, PAN card and bank account details to open your account. And then your account is ready. After opening your account, you'll be eligible for Rs 25,000, a welcome basket. You will get AI-based tools and cashback as well. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to open your account. Fourth, be a value investor. Warren Buffett and Rakesh Jhunjhunwala are value investors. Value investors means finding the future potential of the undervalued stock and long-term investing in it. For example, electric vehicle-related stocks such as Tata Power, Exide Industry are rapidly growing. At the same time, remember to invest based on company's future growth, not on its current performance. Fifth, but not the least, don't sell and panic. In India, one bad news shakes the whole share market. Many times, even the news has been wrong, but the market is affected drastically. And most of the investors sell their shares in a panic. And then they realize their mistake afterwards. For example, in this lockdown, many people have sold their shares due to the COVID situation, while smart investors started buying shares in this situation. And after the pandemic is over, how the market has bounced back, you will all know. So guys, always analyze the situation and then take the right decision.